So I did that test blast last Saturday. We are here today and we're gonna get this done. Let's grab this hose and pull it out the reel. Look how beautiful that floor came out. We removed all the red paint from this floor.